Microbiological standards in food are essential for safeguarding public health and ensuring the safety of food products. They serve as a benchmark for acceptable limits of microorganisms in various foods including bacteria, molds and yeasts. Understanding these standards helps food safety officers monitor food quality and prevent foodborne illnesses. The sources of microorganisms in food can vary widely, from environmental factors to improper handling practices. Contaminants may originate from soil, water, animals, and even the food processing environment. Recognizing these sources is crucial for implementing effective food safety protocols. Key points to remember about microbiological standards include 1. The significance of establishing limits for pathogens like Salmonella, Listeria, and E. coli. 2. The role of international and national agencies in setting these standards. 3. The necessity of testing and monitoring food products regularly. 4. The impact of food handling and storage conditions on microbial growth. 5. Understanding the methods of microbiological analysis such as culture, PCR, and rapid testing. 6. The importance of training food handlers on hygiene practices. 7. Recognizing the seasonal variations in microbial counts. 8. The application of HACCP principles for effective food safety management. 9. The benefits of traceability systems for tracking food sources. 10. The relevance of updating standards based on emerging research. To assess your understanding, here are 10 multiple choice questions relating to microbiological standards. 1. What is the main purpose of microbiological standards? A. Flavor enhancement. B. Public health protection. C. Aesthetic appeal. Answer B. 2. A. Clostridium. B. Salmonella. C. Streptococcus. Answer B. 3. What does HACCP stand for? A. Hazard analysis critical control point. B. Health and care critical control practices. C. Hazardous analysis control procedures. Answer A. 4. Which method is commonly used for identifying bacteria? A. Freezing. B. Drying. C. Culture. Answer C. 5. What is a key source of food contamination? A. Proper cooking. B. Inadequate hygiene. C. Refrigeration. Answer B. 6. Who sets microbiological standards? A. Food consumers. B. Public health agencies. C. Food sellers. Answer B. 7. Why is traceability important? Traceability. A. Cost reduction. B. Customer preference. C. Safety assurance. Answer C. 8. What does PCR stand for in microbiological testing? A. Polymerase chain reaction. B. Pathogen contamination review. C. Primary culture resource. Answer A. 9. Which bacteria is commonly associated with undercooked poultry? A. E. coli. B. Listeria. C. Salmonella. Answer C. 10. Why is regular monitoring essential? R. To avoid waste. B. To minimize costs. C. To ensure safety. Answer C. To wrap up, understanding microbiological standards and the sources of microorganisms is crucial for any food safety officer. They play a fundamental role in protecting public health and ensuring food quality. If you enjoyed this insightful overview, please subscribe to our food safety channel on YouTube, Food Technology, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts or questions. Your engagement helps us provide you with more valuable content.